didn't just work out, you worked magic. Your body just turned effort into energy, discipline into dopamine, sweat into chemistry. And now it's time to feed the magic, not starve it, because recovery isn't rest, it's rebuild time. After you train, your body enters a 30-minute window of transformation. Your cells are wide open, craving hydration and nutrients and minerals that will reset your chemistry to strength. This isn't about punishment or perfection. It's biology, honoring the science of strength and the art of recovery. Because when you feed your body well after movement, you amplify everything you just worked for. First things first, rehydrate like it matters. Coconut water with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lime. Watermelon with feta or sea salt. A quick mineral-rich broth shot. You didn't just lose water, you lost electrolytes. So replace them and your energy pathways will start firing clean again. Now let's rebuild those muscles. Hard-boiled eggs with sea salt and olive oil. Lentil or quinoa salad with hemp hearts. Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. These deliver clean proteins and amino acids that patch micro tears and rebuild fibers and stabilize energy. Time to recharge your energy stores. Sweet potatoes with almond butter and cinnamon. Roasted root veggie bowl with tahini. Medjool dates stuffed with almond butter and hemp seeds. Smart carbs restock glycogen, balance your hormones, and prep your body for the next round. Finish strong, upgrade your nervous system. Herbal adaptogen blend, ashwagandha, maca, reishi. Pumpkin seed butter on toast or apple slices. Coconut water or magnesium powder, or a pinch of sea salt. These soothe cortisol, restore minerals, and shift your state from fight to flow. Recovery fuel equals resilience fuel. Remember, you don't build strength when you train. You build it when you recover. So feed your flow and refuel your magic.